Welcome to our Ultimate Grooming Kit Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison of two popular grooming kits, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit and the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000. We'll explore their features, performance, and what real users have to say about them. Whether you're looking for versatility, battery life, or just the best bang for your buck, we've got you covered. Let's start with battery life. The Braun All-in-One Style Kit offers an impressive 80 minutes of cordless runtime, which is great for quick grooming sessions. However, the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000 takes the lead with a staggering 5-hour battery life, making it ideal for extended grooming needs without the hassle of frequent recharging. This difference can be crucial for those who prefer longer grooming sessions without interruptions. Next, let's talk about versatility. The Braun kit comes with 10 attachments, allowing for a range of grooming options, from beard trimming to body grooming. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000 boasts an impressive 19 attachments, providing a comprehensive solution for all your grooming needs. This makes it a more versatile choice for those who want a complete grooming experience. Finally, let's compare the blade technology. The Braun All-in-One Style Kit features ultra-sharp blades designed for precision and efficiency. However, the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000 offers self-sharpening stainless steel blades, ensuring long-lasting performance without the need for blade oil. This advanced technology can provide a better grooming experience over time, making it a standout feature for the Philips kit. In conclusion, both grooming kits have their strengths. The Braun All-in-One Style Kit is a great option for those looking for an affordable and versatile grooming solution. Meanwhile, the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000 shines with its extensive attachments and superior battery life. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your grooming needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.